My name is Ethan Katria. Topic is basic email client system. So firstly is introduction. What is this project about? Simply email client that allows user to send mail in bulk. User Python SMTP lib to send emails securely. And why is this important? So saves the time by automatic email sending, ensuring easy and efficiency email communication. Second is problem statement. So problem statement is a challenge of manually emailing, time consuming for bulk emails, error phone, and security risks when using direct mail login. And his solution is a Python-based email client for automated email sending. And next is objective, automated the process of sending emails, improve efficiency and accuracy in email dispatching, secure authentication using a password, provide a user-friendly way to send multiple emails. Workflow is a user enters the sender mails and password, and second is add a list of received emails, and third is enter the subject and body of the mail, and fourth is the system contact to SMTP server, and five is emails sent securely. Next is technology stack. Programming language like Python, library use, SMTPL library, and fourth is email.mime. Fifth is a protocol SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Features of the system is user authentication, bulk email, custom subject and body, error handling. User authentication in user sender email and a password. Bulk emailing allows sending mails to multiple receipt. And fourth, custom subject and body, users can write personalized message. Error handling in identify incorrect email format or connection issues.
Okay, so my name is Neil Latia, 23CS040. So this is the implementation part. Let's see in Jupyter Notebook. Here, firstly, I have imported all necessary libraries, and here is the sender email, and this is the app password where this you can find from Google account. And this is the receiver password. We have to provide the list of email IDs which we have to send email. This is the subject. This is the body template. I have to basically I have made this for sending the resume to for finding internship. So I have added my resume in the form of PDF. This is the SMTP server, and finally when the mail will be sent, then this message will be print. I have already sent it. So here the code is sent successfully. Next, this is the result we have seen. And security using app password instead of real password. SSL and encryption for user email transmission. Avoiding spam filters by formatting emails properly. And this is all the test we have performed and all have give success results. In future, these are the challenges we can face. We can take this to the upper level for basically for giving it to companies for professional uses. And the conclusion is we have built a Python-based email client system using SMT server, which is a password, sender email, and the receiver email. Thank you.